All right, so today we're going to show you how to install some running boards on a Toyota Tacoma. It's my brother-in-law, Ben.
Hi, y'all.
And what we found, well, these are the running boards. And what we found was on the frame here, there's these caps, but they're already pre-drilled holes that are threaded. And all we got to do is just pretty much screw these screws into this frame. And I'm probably going to have to help him hold this up while he's doing this.
Yes, maybe too.
And as you can see, we're, I guess, kind of using this body board here. Tell me where. Just hold it up here. I got this side. Tell me where you want to. Watch your head right there. There. Look at these sweet running boards. Let me know what you need.
Other bolt.
All right, let me get another. You got it held?
Yeah, I had one.
Yep.
There it is.
You know, you may have thought this project was a little bit more difficult than it was, but when you got the right tools. Oh, watch the step, man. Oh, man.
Oh, is that on the video? Edit
yeah.
that out, buddy.
Yeah, I'll cut it out. When you got the right tools, the job is easy. Nut driver, 12mm nut driver. Makes it fit nice and snug. All you gotta do is just put these in and it'll just, bam, job's done. Look at how sweet that bad boy looks. A little before and after here. Yeah. You can see what it looks like without. And now you can see what it looks like with. That's pretty mean. You need something longer, Ben, an extension? Is that too short?
Yeah.
So there you go, the running boards, courtesy of and Toyota.
Happy birthday
and
to
Mr.
me.
Charlie and Dad. And whoever else chipped in for this.
Final product. Thanks, Pop. Thanks, my wife. I love you guys. Looks good. I like the look. Charlie likes the function.